Hey, y'all, it's done off the fish. Man. Oh yeah, he's pulling me backwards. Man. That might be that 30-pounder.
Oh, my income is sure not outcome. When Friday rolls around, I'm broken then some. What I'm making, somebody's taking. Now here I go, a little further in the hole.
Let's go catch some fish, y'all. Woo! Hey, good morning, y'all. This is Pastor Murray, and today is April 20th, 2024. And we are fishing on the Savannah River Lake system. We are fishing for stripers, and we're going to be pulling 4 planer boards with live blueback herring. We are going to be trailing the planer boards by approximately 20 feet and trolling 1/2 to 1 mile per hour. The air temperature is 67 degrees. It's calm this morning. It's supposed to get up to 88 degrees later in the day, but we hope we get in on the morning bite. Water temperature, I'm guessing, is going to be 65 to 67 degrees right now. My Garmin unit's still coming up, and I should have that temperature is 74 degrees, so warmer than I thought, but it promises to be an exciting day. I got some reports that people were catching stripers in this area, and so it's one way to find out. Get on the water, catch some fish. You know, our goal is still to catch a 30+ pound striper. That might happen, but we're gonna have fun trying. Today might be the day. We, any striper we catch is gonna be fun. So let's see what happens. Wish me luck, y'all, and let's catch some fish. Whoop, whoop! Hey, y'all, I almost forgot to put my tether on and kill switch. Important. Keep everybody safe, especially me. Hook them through both nostrils, just like that. And again, that's a 1/0 circle hook. Fish on, y'all. Wow. Fish on. Man, this is a monster. Making this J-turn. Man, did he nail that. Woo! Man. Woo! Man, that's a fish. Woo! See what this rascal is. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Wow. This Ambassador 5500 doesn't have a clicker on it, so you can't really hear the drag, but he definitely pulled the drag off. Woo! Awesome. He's taking me for a sleigh ride. He's taking me for a sleigh ride. Let's try to get that unclipped. Whoa. Man. Boy. Woo-hoo. He nailed it. Man, did he nail it. Wow! Monster! A monster! Woo! Oh! Woo-hoo! Monster! See if we can get him in the boat here. Get him in the kayak. Always try to net him head first. Man, I don't know. He looks like he might be 12 to 15 pounds. Huge fish. Wow. Woo! Man. I'm gonna keep moving here for a second so my lines don't get tangled, and then we'll take care of him. Woo! Man, did he nail that. Woo! My information was correct. Somebody told me, said, try it out here. And man, you're right. Woo! Let's get this guy secured. Oh! Got him on the, since I was using the blueback herring, I got him on a size 1/0 circle hook. Got him right he's supposed to. And let's see what he's gonna weigh. He's going way out. Okay. Oh, man. 21 pounds. Woo! Woo, what a beauty. 21 pounds. Let's tow him a little bit and then I'll show him off to you. Get some action running through those gills. Whew. Woo! Man, oh man, oh man! Woo-hoo-hoo! Let's see. Here he comes. Here he comes. Woo! Look at there, look at there. Let's see if we can get those scales up. Woo! What a beautiful fish. Woo-hoo! Here we go. Tow this guy and get some oxygen through his gills and release him. Wow, what a blessing. Now we're practicing CPR, catch, photograph, and release. And let these big gals and boys continue to grow. And 21 pounds, next time it might be my 30 pounder or 35 pounder. So hope you can see this guy. I'm towing him. He's swimming pretty good. I know he wants, yeah, there. See that tail swimming. So we're gonna let him go. Let him go. Let him grow. Woo! Awesome. Woo! We're gonna see if we can get that guy again. Or get another one. Get his brother, his sister, cousin. To get his big cousin. We're gonna make another pass right through that area and see if we can have a repeat. I got him pretty close to the bank. I mean, it was like, wow, these guys, when they hit, they are serious. And if you want to see how to keep blueback herring and trout alive in a little 30-quart bait tank, Magellan bait tank, I've got a YouTube video on how to do that, and I've got to show you how to make my airlift filter, aerator filter, but I'll leave a link for the filter, aerator, bubbler on this on the description of this video. Got into some shallow water, so I'm speeding up. Looks like a couple of fish swirled at the top of water to my left here. I'm going to head that direction. Hey, always use visual cues. Birds, swirls. So we've got our graph, our Garmin 73 SV, side view scan, down view, and a lake contour map. That's a invaluable tool. See all this come off the fish. Man, oh yeah, he's pulling me backwards. Man, that might be that 30 pounder. Woo! Man, that's he pulled. Woo-hoo! Got to keep him out of the trees. This is a hog, y'all. This is a hog. Man. Man, oh man. Wasn't expecting that. This is a hoss. Man, this is a monster. This thing's got some weight. Woo! Woo! Man, oh man, we on a sleigh ride, y'all. Woo! He's hugging bottom. Get him out of the trees. Some trees underneath me. Man. Oh. I think something broke loose just now. I think he's freed up. He got in those trees. It's still filling in a tree. Let's see if he'll free himself. Let's see if he'll work himself loose. Sometimes they do. I think I'll have to break the line. Yeah, it got loose. Ah, it got me in the trees. Oh man, that broke my heart. That broke my heart. Man, that was a monster. That was my 30-pounder. Hey y'all, this is Pastor Murray, and I'm out of bait. Catfish got all of my live blueback herring, and so we got one striper in the boat, 21 pounds. Lost one in the trees, probably my biggest striper ever. And then we got 3 good-sized eating catfish for a camping neighbor. So it's been a blessed morning to be out here in God's creation. And just want to say thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate you guys and gals, and God bless you and your household. Let's catch a fish, y'all. Whoop, whoop.